like to invite everyone to visit the BYD Tech Tour here at SM Pampanga from August 2 to 4. So that's Friday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So get the chance to see and test drive all of the latest BYD vehicles, especially the recently launched BYD Sea Lion 6 DMI. Get to test drive on the spot, and you also get some free merchandise as well when you test drive and you make a reservation. So we hope to see you here and to experience the technology of BYD, the world's leader in new energy vehicles. So happy to be here in Pampanga. My name is Jill Peña. I'm the brand marketing director under AC Mobility, handling BYD. It's an exciting weekend because we are here in SM Pampanga from today until Sunday, August 2 to 4. We're so excited to showcase our latest technologies from BYD. So BYD is the world leader in terms of new energy vehicles, and we just recently launched our Super DMI technology, which is found in our BYD Sea Lion 6 DMI. So this weekend, you can just come over to SM Pampanga, check out our tech tour because we have a display showcasing our full lineup, including our recently launched BYD Sea Lion 6 DMI, which is beyond hybrid.
Beyond hybrid.
Yeah.
Very exciting. Actually, ma'am, I was able to feature yung BYD Pampanga. I was able to check.
Great,
yes,
wonderful.
Some of your units. What's new about BYD Sea Lion?
So BYD Sea Lion is the first model that we're bringing in that has our Super DMI technology.
Okay.
So the Super DMI technology, it really goes beyond hybrid because it combines the best of both worlds. So it's an extended range EV, meaning it can go up to over 1,000 kilometers on one full tank and one full charge. You get to enjoy all of that extended range without any range anxiety at all, and all that power and acceleration and the fun of driving on pure electric in one vehicle. And of course, we didn't scrimp on the features. It's chock full of tech features. It also comes with a subscription to the BYD app as well, wherein you can access your vehicle remotely, remote start and stop your engine. And best of all, it comes at a really, really good price point for all of the features that you get.
How much is it, madam?
So we launched this. Our special introductory price is 1,548,000.
Do we have other variants or?
We have one variant for now, yes.
Actually, I think you mentioned a word yung nagustuhan ko doon. It's the range anxiety. Tama po ba?
Yes.
Is that the correct word?
Yes.
Since we are introducing EVs dito po sa Pampanga, in the Philippines, no? But of course, some consumers, Filipinos, are still parang hesitant. I think that's because one major hesitation, but this one answered it.
Correct. With the Super DMI technology, it's actually beyond hybrid.
Yes.
Because you have your electric motor and you have your range extender, which actually charges the electric motor, and that is powered by gasoline.
Yes.
So all you have to do is fill it up with gas, and then you can enjoy the fun and the accelerator of electric driving without having to worry that you will constantly have to find a charger. Because to your point, there are still some consumers who may be hesitant to go full EV. So this is the perfect bridge. If you're still on the fence, this is the perfect bridge to get into that electric driving experience and eventually move into full EV.
I agree. Actually, I believe that this is the future. It also helps some establishments to really ride the wave. No, parang hinahanda rin yung mga ibang establishments natin where we go, like hotels, mga malls, or even mga gas stations that would probably convert into charging stations.
Yes. And that's the commitment of AC Mobility as well. As a company, at AC Mobility, we're committed to building the infrastructure of EVs in the country. In fact, by the end of the year, we're looking at having 100 charging stations across the country. So there are actually some customers that we've spoken to who have bought BYD EV in the past. It's been months, almost a year, and they actually didn't have to install a charger at home. This is why, because when they go to work or when they go to the mall, then they're able to charge their EVs, and because of the range, there's no need for them actually to charge at home. So that's actually the message that we want to put out there, that the infrastructure is there and it's getting even stronger for the Filipinos. But to your point again, for those who are still hesitant, we have the BYD Sea Lion 6DMI as that perfect bridge product that has everything you could possibly want. Yeah.
That is super exciting. Thanks so much, Ms. Gil.
Thank you as well. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Appreciate all the support. See you.